Hi everyone, Rick Mitchell with you. It is Friday, August 7th. This is hardcore weather. This is going to be kind of a brief hardcore weather because it's my day off and I've been working in the yard and just stopped for a little bit of lunch at about 2:30. I'm going to show you my computer screen. Let's do this a little differently than I've done in the past. Actually, let me flip this around. Alright, we'll get it here. I'm going to start off with the Storm Prediction Center and the slight risk today. Pretty large area up across northern and parts of the Central Plains. Got some dying thunderstorms moving through Chicago right now. New development will take place farther to the west. No storms expected across most of Oklahoma, maybe far western parts of the state on into the Panhandle and the southeast, but the body of the state looks like it will stay dry. Let's look at the 500 millibar flow from this morning. This is going to be 12Z, and we still have the fastest flow is to our north. Big upper low across the Intermountain Northwest, and big trough across the western United States, and a ridge covering much of the southern plains on into the southeast. And you get your better thunderstorm chances along the edge of this ridge. It's called the Ring of Fire, and if you remember correctly, the severe weather risk is going to be up into the plain states right along the edge of this ridge, and we should be fairly dry here for the next couple of days with the ridge kind of basically reinforcing itself and then gradually shifting on to the east. We will have a chance for some thunderstorms by early next week. Let's take a look at the this is the WRF model, and this is going to be valid 0Z Saturday, so that's 7 o'clock this evening. Shows the thunderstorms well to our north, but Oklahoma looks like it will be dry. There's Saturday morning, some storms up in Iowa, but again, Oklahoma on the dry side of things. There's Saturday evening, maybe a stray shower or something out in the Texas Panhandle. Notice some of the moisture starting to increase to our southeast. Some deep tropical moisture, a little disturbance, no hurricane or nothing like that, but it is going to have its influence being felt across Louisiana, southern Mississippi, and Alabama. Sunday morning looks dry. That is valid at 7 o'clock Sunday morning. We'll jump out to Sunday evening, and you see there's quite a bit more coverage on the WRF in terms of thunderstorms across Arkansas, perhaps even southeastern sections of Oklahoma, and then what looks like a nearly solid line of QPF. That would be a cold front, and that may become active, especially across Iowa and Kansas, perhaps as far south as northwest Oklahoma on into the Texas Panhandle by Sunday evening. It's gone to 72 hours. That would be 7 o'clock Monday morning. Best chance for rain will be across Iowa and northern Missouri, and maybe a low chance on into Kansas and northern Oklahoma. And our chances do improve as we move out to Monday evening. As you see, there's some QPF associated with that cold front into northern Oklahoma. So that's going to be our next fair chance for some rain in the state, would be early next week. Again, this is next Monday. Let's look at 500 millibar flow from that same time period. This is going to be the GFS valid next Monday evening at 7 o'clock. The ridge, if you notice, it's there. It's a little flatter. But it's still there. Fast jet stream flow up across the northern plains and the northern 1/3 of the United States. So that's the most likely area for continued showers and thunderstorms. But that cold front's going to try to kind of undercut those heights and give us at least a low chance for some thunderstorms. Let's kind of look at the GFS as we go through time here. This is going to be next Tuesday evening, and there you have a sharp trough moving through the Midwest, and the ridge has, instead of being centered over the southeast, is now backed off, and we're more on a northerly flow, so it wouldn't be out of the question for Monday and Tuesday to have a chance for some storms in the state. Anything that would get going in Kansas would have a tendency to move south into Oklahoma on Tuesday. Let's look at next Wednesday, and notice the trough is now well off to the east. It's over the northeastern United States. We still have the center of the ridge to the west. This is a fairly hot pattern for us, maybe not necessarily 100s, but we'll have upper 90s, and it'll feel like typical August heat out there. And again, that's next Wednesday at 7 o'clock. Let's go a little deeper on into the week. This is next Thursday. Main jet stream well to the north, center of the ridge just west of us. And and let's see where else. 180. This is going to be next Friday. So 1 week from today, ridge covering much of the southern United States with the strong jet stream well across the northern United States. So I suspect that once we have a fairly dry weekend, we'll have a chance for a couple of showers and thunderstorms early next week. As I get back into the picture here, see if I can do this again, cut me some slack here. It's my day off, so the quality of this isn't going to be that great. Weekend temperatures should be in the upper 90s. Humidity levels will be fairly high. That front, I don't think that front on Monday is going to sweep all the way in here, but it will be close enough that we'll have at least a low chance late Monday into Tuesday, especially the northern half of the state, and we'll probably dry out again by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. For all the very latest details, tune in to Sarah Libby tonight on Eyewitness News 5 at 5, 6, and 10 p.m. You can catch Andy Wallace early tomorrow morning starting at 5 a.m. Hey, it's Friday, so have a great weekend. Next hardcore weather will probably be on Monday. Okay? We'll see you then. Have a great weekend. Take care.